Hello everyone. Today we are exploring two fundamental concepts in sociology, culture and society. So culture refers to a shared beliefs, values, customs and behaviors that define a group of people. It's the way of life that guides how individuals interact and interpret the world around them. So society is a group of individuals uh, who live together in a defined geographic area and who share a common culture. So there are two concepts are deeply interconnected. Culture shapes a society by influencing social norms and behaviors, while society provides the structure within which culture is created and transmitted. So biological versus cultural influences on behavior. Human behavior is influenced by both biology and culture. Biological factors include genetics and psychological processes. So, as we take an example, reflexes and certain instincts are biologically driven. So, cultural factors encompasses the learned behaviors and norms that vary across societies. For instance, dietary habits differ widely around the world due to cultural influences. While biology provides the foundation for behavior, culture shapes how behaviors are expressed and understood within a society. So, key cultural concepts. So, let's delve into some important culture concepts. So, cultural universalism. These are elements, patterns, traits, or institutions that are commonly to all human cultures worldwide. Examples include language, family structures, and the religious practices. Cultural relativism. This principle suggests that an individual belief and the actives should be understood by others in terms of that individual is own culture. It promotes understanding and tolerance of culture differences. Anthropocentrism. This is the tendency view of own culture and as a supervisor to others. It can lead to misunderstanding and prejudice when evaluating other cultures. Andro- Androcentrism. This refers to the practice of placing a male perspective at the center of one's worldwide. Often understanding these concepts help us to appreciate cultural diversity and fosters more inclusive societies. So multiculturalism is a policy approach that recognizes and respects the presence of diverse culture groups within a society. It also encourages the retention of culture identities while prompting equal participation in the larger society. So, multiculturalism policies aim to reduce cultures conflicts and promote social cohesion by acknowledging and validating diverse cultural expressions. In countries like Canada, multiculturalism is a foundational principle that supports diversity and inclusion. So elements of culture. There are the culture comprises of various elements that shape the society interactions. They are as follows, like values, core principles and standards that guide behavior. Example, freedom and equality. Second, beliefs, specific ideas that people hold to be true. Like example, belief and democracy. Third, attitudes, which are learned tendencies to respond in the consistent manner to given an object or a situation. Fourth, norms, which are established rules of behavior or standards of a conduct. Like example, the dress codes or many more. Fifth is practices, routine behaviors and rituals, greetings. Symbols and language are crucial as they allow individuals to communicate and share cultural meanings. For instance, a national flag which symbolizes a country identity. So, the sapphire of hypothesis suggests that the language we speak, it influences our perception of reality. This means that speakers of different languages may experience the world differently in a different manner. Culture can also be characterized into different forms. First, material culture, physical objects and artifacts which are created by a society. Example, buildings, technology. Non-material culture. So, intangible aspects like beliefs, values, and norms. So, in the conclusion, in this summary, understanding culture and society is essential for appreciating the complexities of human interaction, recognizing the interplay between biological and cultural influences, which are uh, biological and cultural influences, which are being aware of key cultural concepts and acknowledging these elements that constitute culture can lead to more empathetic and cohesive communities. Thank you. Have a great day.